Okay, so let's have a look at the first one then. The key thing to remember here is we need to multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. So we do x multiplied by x to give us x squared. Then multiply the x by the 4. Multiply the 3 by the x. And finally multiply the 3 by the 4 like that, okay? Don't forget, once you've done that, to simplify it, so you've got 4x plus 3x. So that gives you that. Okay. So, Jack, you were asking about setting up your working. I think you need to write down the question first of all. And I would always put in that step. But actually, that's quite a straightforward one, so you could probably do that in one go. But it doesn't hurt to put that step in. Second one. So exactly the same thing. You don't have to draw these lines on, but again, it may help you if this is something you're not confident in. So x times x gives us x squared. Minus 5x, so multiply the x by the minus 5, plus 2x, minus 10. Again, simplify it, so it's minus 3x, minus 10. Okay. If you're not sure about anything, do stop me, okay? Next one, exactly the same thing again. This time we've got 2, so when we multiply that by the x, we get 2x squared plus 4x plus x plus 2. Okay. Again, simplify it. 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Next one. 3x times by x gives us 3x squared. Times it by the minus 6, we get minus 18x, minus 5x, and then minus 5 times by minus 6 is plus 30. Remember, you've got two negative numbers, you multiply them together, you get plus the number. So 3x squared minus 23x plus 30. Okay. Final one, a little bit different. But you do the same thing. You multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. So if we multiply x by x squared, we get x cubed. Multiply x by 2x, that's plus 2x squared. Let's move this up a little bit, that's better. Multiply the x by the minus 3. Minus 3x, and then let's use a different colour. Then take the next number in the bracket, or the next term in the first bracket there. So plus 2x squared plus 4x, and finally minus 6. Okay. And final thing is to simplify it. The easiest way to simplify it is look at the different powers of x. Start at the highest power of x. The highest power of x is 3. So we've got 1x cubed there. X squared is the next highest power. We've got 2 there and 2 there. So that's plus 4x squared. We've then got plus 4x minus 3x. So that will just give us plus x. And then finally, minus 6.